Batagaziev up from his stall early as we begin round number 4. And it appears he's come to fight fire with fire. We're really going to find out what's made of this young Russian former Olympic champion. Lands, oh, shot on the floor there. To worse for Batagaziev. Still managing to put combinations together though. Land shots, but Romero with that left hook does catch Batagaziev again. Both on slightly unsteady legs. But Batagaziev seems to have refound his form, and these two are just going to slug it out until one of them gets knocked out, it looks like. Fantastic action here in Moscow. Also had a point deducted at the beginning of this round, so well below. Oh, big shot there from Batagaziev. Big left hand, and he lands it again. Throws him down, pushes him down to the floor, and he could have been going down that way anyway. So a bit of frustration coming from the Russian at the moment. Batagaziev catches him coming forward, so this could go either way at the moment, but Batagaziev again pulling out in front at the end of this up and down 4th round. Big work here. Here's Batagaziev going for the finish, unless he can get a knock. No, he did get a knockdown in favour of Batagaziev in that 4th round. Action-packed stuff here from the Russian capital. A point deducted for Batagaziev at the beginning of that round due to hitting Romero while he was on the floor. Big, strong finish there.